came to this beautiful, beautiful place to show you the quick tip for today. As you know, quick tips are simple and it helps a lot for some people. Some others already know about it. And the quick tip for today is relax your shoulders and bend your elbows. Yes, when you're riding a bike, when you relax your shoulders and you bend your elbows, it's much smoother and it's much safer. But because if you go in a bump or something in the road, it's easy to go through because the bicycle, it's lighter. I mean, you're not stuck your whole body with the bicycle. It's like you're one, but not so close. Actually, it's year one, but not, tighten up. So the bike can move like in a bumper or something, and your body stays still. And it's so much better. So I hope you do like this quick tip. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It is hold your hands. It's not very tight, but tight enough. Loosen up your shoulders, put it down and bend your elbow. Check it out. Look how much comfortable it is. If you bend your elbows, so all the trepidations stay on your hands. It doesn't go to your body, and it makes it much easier, Okay, check it out. I'm going holds everything straight, high shoulders. Check out how much kicking do I do in my body. And suddenly, if I take it out, just bend your elbows, loosen up, lower your shoulders, and life is beautiful. Here we go. Check it out. So this is the quick tip for today. I know quick tips are like this, very simple. So I hope you did like this quick tip. If you did, thumbs up and sign up, be part of it. We're almost to 5,000 subscribers, and that's so cool. Love you guys. It's so nice. I'm having so much fun. And if this was a very, very nice tip for you, give a super thanks. Yeah, super thanks are so cool. Bye bye. Hope you like it.